If a ball is launched straight upward from the surface of the earth with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second, approximately how high will it go before it begins falling back down? This is a typical kinematics question. And for kinematics questions, you need to know the four main kinematic equations. And once you have them down, then you decide which one are we going to use. And we decide that based on what we're given and what we're solving for. Each of these equations is missing something. So you kind of have to see, right? Keep in mind this zero is initial and then the V without the zero is your final. I just don't write them down. But let's look again, right? So the initial velocity is going to be 10 meters per second. So we have initial velocity. Now, we also have final velocity. How do we know that? It's asking how high will it go before it begins falling back down. When a ball goes up, right before it falls down, its velocity is zero, right? It increases and it stops, and then it starts falling back down. So our velocity final is going to be 0 meters per second. We also have a acceleration, right? Just gravitational acceleration. And this is going to be, it's 10 meters per second squared, but it's going to be negative 10 in this case because it's acting downwards. And then what are we looking for? We're looking for how high it will go, right? We're looking for x. So which of these equations has all of these in there? Like, for example, we can't use the first one because it involves time. We're not looking at time at all. This one's missing a bunch of stuff. So which one are we going to use? We're going to use this one right here. V squared equals VO squared plus 2ax. So let's start plugging things in now, right? So we said our final velocity is 0. So 0 squared equals our initial is going to be 10 squared plus 2ax, right? 2 times negative 10x. And then, just simple algebra again. 0 equals 100 plus negative 20x, and then start isolating, right? So now we have negative 100 on this side equals negative 20x, and divide by negative 20, and we get x equals 5, and the closest answer to that is A.